If the return air temperature is faulty, carry out the following checks. Check the return air and the fresh air temperature fault logged on TIMS. If the fault is logged, connect the MMI to the HVAC panel port. Check the temperature of return air and fresh air. If the temperature is not indicated, check the wiring of the return air sensor and the fresh air sensor. If any wire is loose or disconnected, tighten or rejoin the connection as required. If the return air temperature is still not indicated, check the continuity of the return air sensor with a multimeter. If ground is found, replace the return air temperature sensor.